Today we are going to talk about classroom function, mortise law. Classroom. See, when we are talking about a classroom, mortise, see, latch, anti-theft, no deadbolt for the classroom, okay? Classroom. And then what is the most important for classroom? See, the follower inside is sprinted, two parts, sprinted. We are using a very special spindle, two parts, okay? One is in, one is out. Out is outside the door, in is inside the door. Okay, let's go and check. Okay, in, out. What is the most important for the classroom? Classroom is when you are inside the room. Okay, no matter what happens, when you are inside the room, directly press the handle. You can get out of the room. Why will you need to have such kind of design? One situation. When the class is over, the teacher is locked the door from outside of the classroom, but there is one little naughty students left inside the room, and the teacher did not find it. On this case, if the student is inside the classroom, he can directly go out. No need to get any help from parents, no need to get any help from policemen, no need to get any help from teacher. He can directly, okay? Even though you are a pupil or 3 years old, 4 years old, you can directly get out. This is to keep them safe. And then another case is that if there is any emergency happen inside the classroom, everyone can just get out very fast by press the handle and then get out. Okay, this is two situations. And then outside, and then when we are talking about classroom no deadbolt, but in this cylinder, you can use half cylinder, double key cylinder, or one side key and one side function. Let's go and see the difference. Okay, when we are using the double side key, okay, this is outside, this is the inside. See? Outside, inside.